main thing that kept me going on this project and not quitting was to do what I'm doing right now, which is to come out and just enjoy it, you know, and drive it. And I envisioned this, and it truly did kind of just help get me through weeks, if not probably a month and a half of just feeling like I really wanted to quit on this project. So this is a really good feeling. It's a Sunday, you know, and not that this car is perfect, but it's not about it being perfect. It's broken down enough times and I've shaken it down where it's pretty good now, you know, and I should be able to just come up here and have fun and enjoy the car. And been driving it, you know, not every day, but a lot of days. I'm just really happy to be able to do this right now and share this with you guys. It's a really pretty day. I've got a little bit of the classic 912 slow start thing happening, and I believe it's because I got a new rebuilt engine and an old starter. But watch, here we go. Foot all the way to the floor is the way to go on my car. That wasn't too bad, but before I take really long trips, I'm probably gonna have a backup starter at least. I think I'm gonna get one of these high torque starters. Okay, we gotta get out of here before some car comes and slows us down big time. All right, usually it takes a couple minutes just to kind of get acclimated with how the car's feeling. At least for me, I just take a few minutes, check, you know, check how much grip I have, check road conditions. I'm getting a little bit of wind noise from the driver's side vent glass. These are the only seals I haven't done on the car yet. So this driver's side one makes a lot of noise, but other than that, it's pretty quiet in here. Motor's warmed up. It's about a 20-25 minute drive to get up to this little canyon. So this car is a 4-speed, and it shifts really well. That was a big concern of mine. You know, when I put the motor and transmission in the car, I had no idea if the transmission was going to shift at all. I mean, oh, there goes my seat recliner. This is currently probably my biggest nuisance, is this seat reclining issue. All right, let's see how we're doing today. A little bit of tire squeal. You probably can't hear it at all, but I like these Sprint Classics. These tires are nice. They'll talk to you a little bit. This is a total hill climb right now. You know, and we're doing like maybe, you know, 50, 60 miles an hour up this in third gear, kind of mid RPMs. That's flat out right there in third. We're a little quicker on the downhill. Here. This is a fun section, I think. level on these tires. Listen, this thing, light's falling. It's beautiful up here. I do love having the windows down. This is kind of a, I'm doing this for you guys. I always drive with the windows down. I don't care if it's freezing outside. That's pegged right there in third. Like borderline wrong gear, like if I was really scooting. Look, I'm still like flat out, a little bit off, back on, flat out, flat out, flat out, little off. No brakes, just get off the throttle a little bit is enough. At least right here. Downhill, I'll use the brakes obviously a lot more. It may only be a 4-banger, but it's still really fun to drive. Pretty slow on the hill climb. It's got really light steering. Car overall feels well balanced, lightweight, stable. It's very easy to heel toe the car. It's not a problem at all. You know, just to get on the brakes hard. I love the big steering wheel. This is a big old tight turn. I'm almost flat out in this uphill. Yeah, that's flat out. Came out of the turn going like 55. It's all about the speed at which you enter. And the line, of course. I'm not anything more than just a hobbyist, but I have fun. I mean, that's flat out right there. Like, I could have got on the gas a little earlier, and I'm almost in between gears, you know, second to third, but it's pretty much just keep it in third on a road like this. God damn. The seat thing just reclines and kills me. Let's see how we can do into this one. Yeah, that's perfect. I mean, could go a little quicker, but that's pretty good there. And that was a little, again, it's like you could get on the gas a little earlier. Like you set the car and then on the throttle, like right there. It's like, okay, off the gas, little brakes. This is a tight one. Let's set it. Car gets a little light in that corner because there's a bump before it. I love the big steering wheel. I love it. It's awesome. Uphill, this is pretty steep, so I'm just like full throttle. Little off, little brake. No brakes, just, there you go. That was money. That was a good one. dip. Oh, the seat thing is just literally, I mean, it doesn't even get, it can't get more annoying than that. Ah. Yoo-hoo! That's the only real annoyance right now is this seat. The recliner is just not doing its job. It's a little tired. All right, stuff like this, careful, you know? It's a blast to drive, you know? I mean, it's only a 4-cylinder and it doesn't have a lot of horsepower, but you can really, you can hustle the car along pretty nicely, you know? And it's fun to cruise too. Well, this was a fun day of driving. Thanks for coming along with me. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.